So just jumping on this part of the video with a collaboration with a company called FitVille. I've never heard of these before. They approached me and said would I like to work with them. So I had a quick look on the website and said, yes, please. A lot of you know I am really into sort of fitness training. I like running, walking, jogging, that sort of thing, weight training. So when they said would I like to choose a few pairs of trainers or walking shoes, I was straight on the website. So FitVille sell shoes, mainly trainers, that are wide fit, or if you've got problematic feet, if you've got issues with your arches. I've got a bit of a bunion, got a bit of a wide foot at the end, so I do find a lot of trainers I have to size up in them so they don't sort of constrict my foot too much. Well, obviously when you size up, they make your feet look longer, blah blah blah. So yeah, I was delighted when they said did I want to try some of their shoes. So I'll just go through the designs I've chosen and show you what they look like. So first up, I chose these. You know I love Converse and Converse dupes, but I've never seen any like this before. Look at those. Dog tooth or hound's tooth, depending on where you're from, and they're like a creamy colour. Nice thick sole, super duper comfortable, really like these. Now the only thing with these, I'm between a 4 or a 5, and I chose these in a UK 4.5, and I should have sized down in these. I think I could have got away with a UK 4 because they are that bit wider, which is a bit of a shame because I really like them, but I think if I tie them up enough I'll be able to wear them. But lovely, look at those, aren't they nice? So what I'll do, I'll put all the details of this company along with any discount codes that they've offered us and any product links in the description box down below. Next up, a pair of walking trainers. Aren't these nice? I thought these were really different, slightly different colour. I tend to go for black a lot of the time in my walking shoes, or grey, so I thought I'd switch it up a bit. These are like a purple. They're purple black and then this lovely aqua colour, really like those, and they've got decent sole for if you're doing a bit of rock climbing or anything like that when you need a bit of grip. So you'll see what they look like from the try on clip, and these are, so because I'll be wearing thick socks with these, I actually went for a 5.5 and they fit perfectly with a little bit of space for a thicker sock. So yeah, love those, and they are water resistant. Next up, some lovely trainers. Absolutely, when I opened these I was like please fit, because I love them. So aren't they cute? I love them. So they're like grey, white, baby blue. Have they got a bit of pink in? Yeah, baby pink and a bit of mint. Absolutely love those colours, especially coming into the spring summer. I think they are gorgeous, and because again, they are the wide fit, I've been able to size down a little bit. I went for a 4.5 in those and they fit perfectly. And again, they're wide fit. This company also offer extra wide, so you've got a normal wide fit and then you can have 2 times wide fit. So if you've got really big wide feet or really bothersome bunions, check them out. And the last pair of shoes or trainers are these beauties. Love these. So I went for something a little bit plainer, just to go with jeans and jeggings, and even shorts in the summer. So these are a canvas material. I love that, sort of the, what would you call that? Textured or honeycomb. Again, super duper comfortable, nice and wide, and I went for these also in a 4.5. Yeah, I like those. So they are white with a bit of blue. They actually look a bit like feet. Do you remember Feeler? You can still get Feeler. They were all the rage when I was a bit younger. So they look a little bit like those, but they're lovely, like a tennis shoe. I won't wear those for sports. I'm going to keep those for best to go with my jeans and shorts in the summer. And then they also have some accessories. So I chose this delightful sports bag. Really like that. I'm going to use this actually for travel rather than sports. It's got inside of it, really clever idea, it's got a little sort of a plastic lining, so if you did put gym kit in it, it keeps it away from the rest of the rest of your clothes. Or now, would you get trainers in there? Yeah, you could get trainers in there, I think. And then look at this snazzy little thing. There you go. You can put your trainers in. Separate part, keeps them away from everything else in the bag. So in the bag then you've got a bit for your trainers and then a bit for any wet kit. And it also comes with a big long strap, and then you've got another little pocket there to put your water bottle in. So yeah, I thought that was a really nice bag. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. But as I said, I think I'm going to use that for travel rather than going to the gym. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I'll put all the details in the description box down below along with any discount codes. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.